Welcome in to the Woolly Review for cotton. It's 100% cotton. It is Yarnsmiths Support Act, which is 100% cotton. I love the ball band because it's natural with no plastic added to it. We have got 50 grams sitting in my hand, 200 meters, 219 yards, and that is approximate. This is the colour silver. Not that we're here to judge the colour, okay? I will keep on stating that. We're not here to judge the colour. So I'm going to put this onto my genie when I've found the end. I don't want centre pull. I want the other end. Give me the other end. Where's the end? Where's the end? Where are you? It's not there. Oh my gosh, please don't make me do centre pull. Please don't make me do centre pull. There it is. There it is. Okay, I cheated a little bit. I'm sorry. I cheat. We're not here to review my cheating, okay? Not today. Okie dokie. So, Yarnsmiths is exclusive to the Wool Warehouse, apart from, of course, people that will sell on other platforms personally. Oh, splitty. So on Wool Warehouse, as of time of reviewing, it is £1.49. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And if I recall, there are 35 different colours. Now this is looking exceptionally splitty, but it feels wonderful. This is a really, really nice, soft feeling cotton. Although I can very much, and I'm sure you can too, see that this is possibly going to be troublesome. But we'll see how it goes, because I'm going to give it its full review. We don't kiss butt over here. I'm going to say how it is in my view. Of course, if you give it a go, you may have a completely different opinion. And that's okay, because we're all different and we're all human. Stitch definition, yeah, not brilliant, but it's okay. I've known worse. But yeah, it's feeling very, very, very soft. And of course, I highly doubt there's going to be any elasticity. Nope, because it's cotton. But we're doing 2 rows of each stitch, and I'm starting with the single crochets. Now we do plan on making a shawl with this, and of course it's me, so it's going to be a beaded shawl. Now I'm quite surprised because I was warned it would be splitty. I can see it definitely has the potential, and I'm not trying to be careful with it, I'm just going at it as is. And I have to say, I'm quite surprised it hasn't really. I mean, I say that and then I split it, but hey ho. Anyway, we're going in for half doubles now. So we'll do 2 rows of the half doubles. Like, I'm not trying to be careful with it. Yes, it's split there, but it's not doing too bad. It does call for between a 2.5 and a 3.5 hook. Now, ordinarily, I would do a 3.5 for the review, but unfortunately, I don't own a 3.5. So I'm using a size 3. And I have to say, I don't think I'd want to be smaller. 3.5 wouldn't be too bad, but oh my gosh, now we're splitting all the time. Oh my gosh. But yes, this is a size 3. So it still falls between the recommendation. I didn't do the end. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Just be grateful I'm trying to get through it as quick as possible for you. But yeah, it feels really, really nice. Like, this is the sort of cotton that you would want to make a wearable with. Oh my gosh, it's split again and I can't even tell where it's split. It's feeling very, very, very nice while I'm working with it. So I'm guessing when I've worked up this tiny little swatch, it will feel blooming lovely. Yes, that's an official review quote, blooming lovely. Although I've got cramp. Whoops. Oh, crampage. Okay. Let's try that again. Starting the new year over here with crochet cramp. Oops, I split it again. See, single crochets weren't a problem. The double crochets are proving ever so, well, half double crochets these are so far. These are proving a little bit more problematic with the splitting. Oh no, it's a half double. Khadijah, get it right. Oh my gosh, I can't even get into the stitch. And there it's split again. Yeah, I'll go on the end. Just to make you happy. Okay. So I've done 2 rows of half double. So now we'll do 2 rows of double. Stitch definition, it isn't bad, but I've seen better. But now we're doing the 2 rows of double on our way to go and meet the frog. Have you given this a go yet? You'll have to let me know down in the comments. And heck, while you're down there, if you're not already, you can always subscribe. Costs absolutely nothing to subscribe. But if you do, it means I'll come up on your feed every time there's a new woolly review, a new tutorial, a live, a giveaway. Quiet Crochet, Yarn Haul, and at no expense to you. It's a little bit better with the definition. So last row then. Oops. Oh, we're splitting. I'm glad I've missed some off the end because I don't want to go down Splitsville for too long. And oh my gosh, the cramp is back. Okay. Oh, and we've split again. Where did we split? Oops. Gonna have to redo that one. So when it comes to softness wise, I would put this on par with Drops Paris, even though it's a completely different weight. I mean, Drops Paris is an Aran, and this is kind of a 4-ply stroke DK, thin DK. All right, let's split again. Okay. So definitely not having any worries about frogging this because it's cotton. Oh, it feels nice. Oh, it feels nice. It feels nice. Okay. Go on then, Mr. Frog. Let's take a walk. Let's see how kinky you get. Oh my, it's not that kind of channel. On your bike? Okay. On your bike. On your bike. Go for a raz down the road. Look at the kinkage. Wow. That's a whole lot of kinkage right there. Which is kind of expected with cotton, unfortunately. But thankfully it's just me that's using this particular cake. So I did the damage, I'll put up with it. £1.49 for 200. So straight away I'm going to go to there because it's nice and it's soft, and for 200 meters I think that's pretty darn good for cotton of that softness. So would it be in my top 10? 35 colours? Yes, I think it'd be in my top 10. Would it be in my top 3? Yes, I think it would. But I think it'd be 3rd in my top 3. I don't think it'd be up there. So I think because of the splitting, and only because of the splitting, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. It's a lovely, lovely, soft feeling cotton. It really is nice. The splitting is definitely a, oh no, oh, I don't really want to do that. Oh, do I have to? Love the yarn band for Yarnsmiths. No plastic sheeny rubbish on it. Lovely. But there's my review. A 4 out of 5. Little ladybirds. And let me know what you think down below in the comments. And hopefully I will see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.